Been using this fire pit for a few months now, and it's been nice to have. It was easy to assemble. My daughter sat down with me and we assembled it in about 30 minutes one afternoon. A few of the features I like about it is that the sides are open, which allows the heat to radiate out and actually get to the people that are sitting around the fire. I'm not a big fan of the fire pits that the heat goes straight up because the sides are closed off and don't really provide a lot of heat to people sitting around it. It just all goes straight up. But one of my favorite features about this is I like cooking over an open flame, and this fire pit comes with a grill grate, and I have been using this a lot whenever we have little get-togethers here in the backyard, or this fire pit is light enough that I can take it and carry it out front and sit in the driveway and hang out with the neighbors. It's been nice. But I've cooked T-bone steaks and hot dogs, and we've done brats, and of course s'mores. Who can do a campfire without s'mores? So it's been nice to cook over it. That grill grate is a nice little addition for that. Check out this fire pit if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that does the job very nicely.